Good afternoon, everyone. You know why we are here? For the and why we are conducting this seminar? For your upcoming board exams. So, are you preparing for your exams? Okay. How many you have started preparing for your exams, revision or practicing your question paper? Raise your hands. Few only. Okay. Keep your hands down. You know you are studying in which board? Which board? So CBSE is a tough or easy? Tough. Okay. You know in which school you are studying? Yes. So is a CBSE school? Yes. You might be facing so many stress, tension and a mixture what to study, what to not, right? So CBSE sent a brief and a short seminar regarding your upcoming exams. Some tricks, some important points, right? So we will go through that for once. So how many of you facing a tension that एक ही महीना बचा है, what we will study, how we will prepare, all mix and match? Do you have any solution for this? No. So we have prepared a solution for you, right? Our planning or CBSE planning for your upcoming 1 month, right? So first point, be regular to your school. If you will be coming regular to the school, you will get all these benefits. First, smart study plan. Smart study plan, do you understand what is a weightage based planning? In your book or in a practice paper, weightage is mentioned of which chapter contains how much percentage or how much questions are going to be asked. You know your paper pattern. How many marks question paper is coming? 80 marks. And weightage of MCQ? 20 marks. And the pattern of MCQ? Multiple choice? Yes. Multiple choice. So you can easily score 20 marks in that. Rest of 60 marks will be covered with your theory, derivatives and practical questions. Right? Mix of that. So important topics will be covered by us in school. Teacher of all the subject will give you important topics, question which are frequently asked in last 5 years or 10 years. Because you do not have that much time, you can go and access your 5 or 10 year papers, search the question, prepare an answer. So along with the answer, questions will be provided to you. Only you have to go through that, right? And tricks for a rapid revision. When you will come to the school, your teachers, your subject teachers will provide you some tricks, some important pattern, how to learn it, how to write your exam. This is your first time you are appearing for your board exams? Yes? And for your pre-board also? Your pre-board is coming? Right? So, you can read this? Weapon? W stands for right and? Remember, you understand this? Yes. When you read an answer or when you go through a question's solution, you only remember, you cannot write it. Okay? You can say कि ठीक है, ऐसा ऐसा होता है. But while we are presenting that answer, we are not able to write that answer. But when you practice in school and at home, read and write, your brain will remember that thing. When you appear in your exams, you can easily recall your answer. That I have written this answer, I have practiced it, so I can easily represent it. Okay? E stands for exam view questions. The questions which are frequently asked, important topics, only that questions will be covered in your revision. Okay? A, avoid distraction. What do you understand by distraction? Many things are there and phone is among one of them. Phone, roaming around, watching TV or any other work. Okay? So avoid your distraction, make a schedule for that. Okay? If you want a break, want a change or freshen up your mind, so go out, walk around, talk with your family, do something else, but don't try to access your mobile phone. That is a major distraction, right? Then P, practice sample paper. Now your subject teachers have started to make you solve a practice paper. Yes. So go through that. O, organize revision. A systematic revision pattern is required, right? You cannot start कि आज ये chapter पढ़ लेता हूँ, कल दूसरा पढ़ूंगा. You will not remember it. Go systematically, make a plan. If you do not understand it, come to the school. Teachers will provide you a plan, right? This is because your first time, no? You are in a panic situation. You are not? N stand for no panic and no stress. Are you panic? No? मतलब you don't have any tension? So, see, when you are at home, are you that much smart that you can study by yourself? Right? But when you will come to the school, your teachers will provide you more guidance and more time for you, right? Every subject teacher will provide you your own time to solve your doubts. Okay? Your subject syllabus is completed. Only few. In 1 or 2 days or within a week or within few days it will be completed. But your cooperation is required for completing this our 1 month planning for your upcoming board exams preparation, right? Tips to manage time in exam hall. Because your first time, na, you might be having stress. कैसे करेंगे, कैसे लिखेंगे, right? So when you will go in exam hall, there are some students who is more studious. Yeah. We think that हमें इतना नहीं आता, सामने वाले को देख के हम पैनिक हो जाते हैं. Why he is writing so much? Huh? Don't go through that. If you have learned, if you have come regular to the school, if you have studied according to your teacher, then you will not face this situation. Don't look here and there. Look in your paper, look in your book. If you are not getting your answer, close your eyes, try to remember that what I have studied. But you will only do this when you have written your exam. Right? So, first is relax yourself. When you will, I think it is not viewable, the points. First, relax yourself. You will go to the exam hall. Okay? Question paper will be given to you before 10 to 15 minutes. Why? Where you can easily relax, you can go through your paper, you can try to analyze that how much question contain a marks, what are the MCQ given, what are the compulsory questions which you have to attempt, right? So that 15 minutes is very important to you, where you can analyze that how I will start my exam paper. First, your presentation is required and your presentation contains more marks, right? So read the question paper first, go through the paper, go for easy questions. Okay? This is not a task where you will attempt a hard question and you will appear. Go for easy question. If you know the MCQ first, do the MCQ. Acha, go through the question. If they have asked that, derive it, and that contain 2 marks, means along with the answer you have to also explain that how you have solved that question. In theory question they don't ask it generally, but in practical question they ask for the solution also. Okay? But if in any situation you are not able to present that description, so write your answer. But try to present that description also. Track time. Smart watches are not allowed in the exam. Okay? Only you can wear a simple watch. So track your time, distribute your time. How much marks, how much time you will give for the MCQ, how much marks for the question and answer, time. Okay? So go through that. First, before going to the exam hall, see your sample paper, mark distribution is given. Your subject teacher will also explain you. So do accordingly. And stay focused. Don't distract your mind here and there. Stay focused. Attempt your paper only. Believe on your own conscious mind. Don't believe on आगे वाले ने क्या बताया या पीछे वाले ने क्या लिखा है. ठीक है? If you have studied that topic, you can write it. Right? How to attempt a question paper? I have already explained that full question paper is compulsory to attend, but if you do not know any question, okay, or if you know some question which are very well to you, then present it first, right? Then try to attend the question which are not known to you, but don't leave it. ठीक है, try to attend it, write few lines or explain it, draw a diagram, draw a format, write your formula. ठीक है, it might happen that your last answer is not correct but your steps are correct, your concept clarity is there, so try to do in a such way. Paper presentation is very necessary. First you have to mention the section you are attending, section first or a second, section A or a B as per your question paper. Then question number, when if question is given in the question number is given in the Roman numbers and only you have seen and write, so check it correctly that you have mentioned correct number or not. Otherwise right answer is written by you but question number is wrong. Then diagram, there are such diagram in science and maths, you draw it, right? So mention it properly, label it properly but with pencil. ठीक है, when you have written a wrong answer or something is wrong, spelling is wrong, cut it with the pencil, only this much, don't do. Highlight keywords. See, first write in a points, not in a paragraph. If you write in a paragraph, that will look like a essay and no one like to read a essay. ठीक है, because examiner do not have that much time, he go everyone's, you are 42 and rest of the students how many copies he is going to check. So write in points, ठीक है, highlight your keywords but with pencil, right, with pencil not with pen. You have to write with the ball pen not gel pen, with one ink only, blue not black, so highlight with the pencil. ठीक है, make a difference. If you are changing a paragraph, changing a point, change with a new line, changing your question, go with the next page. So this, there are some little things which you have to keep in your mind. Benefits of regularly coming to the school. Okay, anyone can say me, if you come regular to the school or you study at home, what are the benefits to come to the school or when you study at home? Anyone else? No one? See, if you come regular to the school, from now 1 month our planning will give you important questions, important topics will be only covered while you are revision. Okay, the most important topic. Smart study plan will be given to you. The question along with the answer that will be given to you will be learned in your class only. Okay, your practice paper will be solved in the school only. Any update, any notification from the CBSE will be given to you in school only. No message on the group, they will not call you or inform you. Okay? So if you want to keep it updated, you have to come to the school regularly. If any doubt arises, you can ask your teacher on the spot. But at home, you will get any doubt, what you will call your teacher. So it is better to come to the school and study, right? So important questions are provided to the school. So come and take the benefit of that important question. Weightage based planning will be done now and your practice of MCQ will be done. So MCQ plus important topics will make you help in scoring a good marks. You are getting my point? Yes. This is a smart study plan. See, rest of the month you have done masti, you will be bunking your class. ठीक है, but now 1 month you have to be serious for your result, for your exams. ठीक है, so study according to us. Now give your 1 month time to us. Make your own schedule for coming to the school. You will get time for each of your subject. Each of your subject teacher will be present in the class, right? If any doubt, any query, or if you are not understanding anything, it will be explained by the teachers. We are here for you only. And the last thing, if any mistake in the admit card, right, any mistake in the admit card will be corrected through the school by the CBSE. So if you don't come to the school, it will be not helpful for you, right? When now admit card will arise only when your 75% attendance is there in the school. If you will be not regular to the school, we will not upload your present attendance and your admit card will not be generated. You know, everything is linked. Your regular attendance, 75%, your admit card generation and the last result. Sir, form bulwa